Tracie Hunter has started serving the second day of her sentence.
Surveillance video released just today shows what happened after that dramatic moment in the courtroom when a deputy took her into custody. Anjanette Levy is live at the Justice Center tonight with the video and a complaint filed against the deputy. Anjanette, what can you tell us about all of this?
Well, Kyle, this is a copy of that grievance that Tracie Hunter filed against that female deputy who took her into custody. Sheriff Jim Neal said that he actually visited with Tracie Hunter on his jail rounds this morning, and he spoke with her and told her that her complaint would be investigated. And we have that video now from the courthouse and the jail that shows exactly what happened after Hunter was taken into custody.
Mr. and Ms. Deputy can take her away.
It was a dramatic scene as a female deputy took Tracie Hunter into custody Monday morning. Hunter went limp and the deputy pulled her from the courtroom. Surveillance video from inside the courthouse shows Hunter in a wheelchair without handcuffs. A deputy wheeled her to another area, and they were there for about 4 minutes. Then we're told Hunter said she could walk. She walked into an elevator. Throughout the booking process, Hunter was cooperative, and she stood the entire time. Hunter filed this grievance with the sheriff's office, claiming the deputy removing her aggravated serious pre-existing medical conditions to her neck, back, and legs. Hunter wrote the use of force caused degradation and dehumanization and was broadcast around the world.
There was nothing that I saw on videos that appeared to be an action that would cause harm or injury.
Sheriff Jim Neal said he met with Hunter in the jail this morning and told her the grievance would be investigated. Sheriff Neal said he can't release a defendant who's been sentenced early, but Hunter could use her gift of ministry to earn credit toward early release, but Hunter must request it.
She has every opportunity to provide a wonderful service in the county facility that will help expedite removing time off her sentence.
Hunter and her supporters hoped Judge Patrick Dinkelacker would have allowed her to go home yesterday. Judge Dinkelacker spoke to us briefly after the hearing.
My job was to execute the sentence. Judge Nadel imposed the sentence back on December 5th, 2014.
Defense attorney Bill Gallagher defended another attorney in a contempt hearing in front of Hunter. Hunter's attorneys asked for a delay yesterday, but Gallagher said a request for reconsideration should have been made prior to the hearing.
Really all that should have happened is she goes into custody. Judge Dinkelacker, I think, gave her the respect of giving it sort of a hearing. I'm not necessarily sure if he had jurisdiction to change a sentence that was already imposed.
And Bill Gallagher said he doesn't believe that Tracie Hunter should be a judge, but he said he also doesn't believe that she should be in jail. I also reached out to Governor DeWine's office today. A spokesperson for him said that the office has not yet received a request from Tracie Hunter to commute her sentence, and that's what would have to happen. She would have to request it to initiate that process. So Tracie Hunter still here in the medical wing of the jail tonight. Kyle, back to you.
All right, Anjanette, thank you so much for that live update this evening. Now, if you watched yesterday's hearing, you saw a woman run up to Tracie Hunter as deputies took her into custody. That woman is Vivian Rogers. Deputies detained her, and she apologized to Judge Dinkelacker at a hearing that happened yesterday afternoon. He found her guilty of contempt and let her go home with time served.